Look at what I found. You can't kill what you can't see. Closing your eyes will not make the pain of defeat any easier. The only thing you will find here is your own destruction, General.
We're almost there. Keep it up.
When it is quiet, you should fear me the most. I can't wait for your next attack. General, can we expect it today? Now you see me? Now you're dead. Stealth is my ally and your enemy. You still have time to flee with your life, General. Watch this. Oh wait, you can't. And another who stood against me falls. Accept defeat and I'll go easy on you. I promise.